welcome back. Today is the Play-doh video. What Stanny is doing the Play-doh video with me. And that time that I did the other time was my own channel. So let's get this video. Okay, I'm gonna make fries.
So I'm gonna start off with the white. I'm gonna make a pizza.
And I'm making fries. Actually, I'm making a pizza.
So I'm taking this.
I'm making an extra.
I'm taking this white Play-doh and I'm gonna roll it out so that it gets flat.
I'd have to talk a little bit louder.
And then after that, I'm gonna make the crust. And then after the crust, I'm gonna make the toppings.
And I'm making a pizza too. What? I will need to put this in. That's cool how it goes in. So it's supposed to go in. That's how it works. I accidentally knocked this off. And let it cook for a while. I made it flat. That's a flatter machine. And there, I'm gonna get it cooked.
Okay, so after this,
Okay. Okay, and
so after this, I'm gonna put it on the plate.
I'm making a Play-doh symbol there.
And then
Classic.
press it down.
Wow.
And it gets stuck. Yeah, I think the plate messed it up. So I'm just gonna take the plate off. And I'm gonna take out the extra interior.
Well,
Okay.
I'm
Now
making
the
a Play-doh symbol.
Let's take it off the plate. Let's make the design for the pizza.
Well, hello, I made the symbol already, but I'm pretty sure I made a symbol, so let's do what I'm doing.
need to do that. So, now I'm gonna make
Flat it
the crust.
around.
Guys, how do you like my pizza so far?
I love it a lot.
What are you doing?
I'm flattening it.
And I don't think that's supposed to be how you flatten it out, but okay. Whatever you say.
Well, as you see, I'm
Ew, what was
making.
that? Oh, dishwasher.
It's still the dishwasher. And I'm making fries.
Okay.
Actually, I'm making noodles.
After
but
that, you gotta just.
guys, this is a Play-Doh set.
And then
I got it from Christmas last night. But I got it.
Unless you got it on Christmas Eve.
Yeah, I got it on Christmas Eve. It was a party on Christmas Eve. It was a party family on Christmas Eve. So, yes, it was.
I said yeah. I know.
Yeah, it was. The butter comes up the top here to make the noodles. The butter is up here.
Okay.
And stuff.
I made some olives. Now let's
Yeah.
put that on the pizza. And then let's get some more.
I don't want to break this. There.
And then
I made butter and put it on fries. And so I made fried. Make them fried. Instead, if I ever eat today, I make them fried. So, but this is just Play-doh stuff because it's not real food. It's a Play-doh set.
I love how Elias is always nice.
Because well, it's not real food we're making. But it's
Salty
this
dough.
isn't the.
I know, I was wiggling my brace.
I hope the tooth. Maybe my tooth is wiggling today. I hope the tooth fairy comes tonight. Maybe it's wiggling. Nope, none of my tooths are wiggling. Oops. And what's making the Play-doh symbol, Danny? Oh, Play-doh symbol. More like Play-doh symbol. It feels good. Well, let's get in this video. We already do this video. I was just saying that. I was tricking you. But we're still in this video. Let's make a plate symbol.
I'm gonna do one last thing.
Well,
A
plate symbol. Well, and I'm done with my pizza, but no, I'm not done with my pizza, but I'm almost done with my pizza. I just need to make something and take olives and all kinds of other stuff.
Okay, guys.
We have pineapples and stuff, but I'm not done yet.
So I got all my toppings and I put all of them on. This is what it looks like.
Looks like cookies on a paper towel. Looks like cookies on a paper towel.
Yeah, I know.
Just get out of the way.
Now it's time
So,
to destroy.
Making that. Okay. So let's cut it out.
Oh! I know what I'm gonna do now.
Carefully, don't cut it. It's solid.
Carefully, don't cut it.
Yeah.
What?
Don't cut that. What I'm making.
So I'm pretending that this
Looks
is
like a
some
fidget
dough.
spinner.
Nope, it's not. It's an olive.
I know.
Okay. You know that.
3 of them.
Ooh, it's like a piece of pizza. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So, ooh, it's just like Caesars. That's my symbol. I call it a beef turkey symbol.
Beef jerky. Okay.
Beef
So,
jerky. And
I'm
here's the
pretending
taco. Let's cut
This
the
is dough.
taco.
So I'm gonna lay it out because I'm
Dough?
making cookies. So, let's make a ball.
You mean you're making brownies? You mean?
No.
Pizza guys make brownies. So, there I need to cut it in half. So,
Okay.
this isn't what my pizza looks like so far. But, yeah, but I need this Play-doh, and I'm going to be done after this another thing. I'm making another olive. So, that's the olive stadium. There, and I'm
Olive Stadium.
done. So that's what my pizza looks like so far. Actually, those are cheeses. So, cheese. Actually, that's cheese.
So this recipe
cheese.
makes about 3 cookies. I don't know. I'm not sure actually. I gotta flatten it out to see how many I can fit.
I'm getting into my channel.
Why did you say that, Eli? I'm getting into my channel.
Okay. Whatever that is, that goes in the trash. That's a yucky food. That's the trash.
Ew, your yucky food.
That's how it works. Well, okay. And I'm cooking this. Hey! That's yucky.
Okay, guys, I got a lot of dough.
And I'm cooking that there. And cooking that there. So, this is what my pizza looks like. So, put that pizza there. And that is gonna fit that.
Okay.
Because it's just going to be flat in there. But can't get that. How do you get that? Ow. Ow. There, got it. It would be stuck in there forever. But I got it. So, my pizza isn't done cooking. What? I'm doing that there. It's cooking for a long time.
Why are you so happy that it's cooking for a long time?
Because
Aren't you supposed to be sad because it's gonna take a long time?
no, pizza guys don't be sad.
Oh, I never knew you were a pizza guy.
I'm a pizza guy. I'm pretending I'm a pizza guy.
Well, Eli's pizza doesn't take that long, but like cookies is, not cookies, but cake. Like the baking part doesn't take that long. What?
Let's cook that there. That's a butter pizza I made, by the way.
Got that cookie.
Well, there's rainbow in there.
It looks like it's rainbow.
Well, it's like I got a marble run of at Christmas Eve, and it has an elevator to make it charge up. But right now it's in a box that says.
Yes, maybe on next video we can do marble.
Yeah. No, it's the end of this.
Yeah, so do the outro.
Dad, are you gonna do the say marble run video?
Maybe. I'll be in some of it. Not that much.
And let's make it a stack now. That's just what
Tell them to subscribe and leave a like and turn on that notification bell.
Help me say it. Let's
Don't
say
forget
it
to
slow.
leave a like.
Don't forget to leave a like and make sure to search up Christopher A52 and his name will pop up. And let's get the next video.
Subscribe to Danny.
The Marble Run video.
Also subscribe to Danny the Bad Cameraman.
The